Many secured credit card applications provide a decision within minutes, but instant approval is never guaranteed because every issuer still reviews your application and identity before opening an account. By the end of this, you'll know what instant approval actually means, which features to look for, and how to improve your chances of getting approved without wasting applications. Start with the biggest misconception. Instant approval does not mean you receive a credit card immediately. It means the issuer gives you an application decision quickly, often after verifying your identity and reviewing your information. If additional verification is needed, the application can still move into manual review. Now look at what makes a good secured card. The first feature is a refundable security deposit. Your deposit usually becomes your credit limit, so make sure you choose an amount that fits your budget. The second feature is reporting to the major credit bureaus. Consistent reporting helps build your credit history when you make on-time payments and keep your account in good standing. The third feature is a reasonable upgrade path. Some secured cards allow eligible customers to graduate to an unsecured card after demonstrating responsible account management. That can save you from opening a new account later. Next, pay attention to fees. Some secured cards have no annual fee, while others charge one. The annual fee is only part of the total cost. Interest becomes much more expensive if you carry a balance from month to month. Paying your statement balance in full helps you avoid those interest charges. Now let's talk about approval. A secured card is generally easier to qualify for than a traditional unsecured credit card because the security deposit reduces the issuer's risk. Even so, approval still depends on factors like identity verification, application accuracy, and the issuer's eligibility requirements. Submitting complete and accurate information gives your application the best chance of moving through quickly. One mistake people make is applying for multiple cards on the same day hoping one gets approved. 1. Multiple applications can create unnecessary credit inquiries and make the process more complicated. It is usually better to compare your options first. Choose the card that fits your needs, and submit one well-prepared application. To sum it up, the best secured cards with fast approval combine a refundable security deposit, credit bureau reporting, transparent fees, and a path to upgrading later. Your next step is simple. Compare the deposit requirement, annual fee, reporting policy, and upgrade options before you apply, because those features matter much more than marketing claims about instant approval. If this breakdown saved you time, like the video, subscribe for more credit card comparisons, fee breakdowns, and practical guides that make building credit easier.